Welcome back. When you create an offer and you set up your offer, that offer will have pages, and on those pages you will be assigning one of your existing products inside of Warrior Plus. To create the products that you're going to assign, you will then need to go to your product tab. So if you click on the product tab, what you'll then see are all of the products that you have available to you to put inside of your offers in order to sell. You will then be able to create a new product from this page by clicking New Product. And it is at this point you will have the product creation screen. You will then see all of the products that you have already created and their performance for all time. If you want to change the time frame for which you're going to evaluate their performance, you can then change the time by using this drop-down legend. You can also evaluate the performance of each individual product by clicking on the Statistics tab. This will then show you the individual statistics for each product, and it will also give you access to the information of the individuals that have already purchased. And you can download this information at any time into a CSV file. Now, although you can't delete the product from Warrior Plus, you can make it ineligible for sale. And you can do that by going to the product status. You can then click Closed and Unavailable. You can then save the product. And that is your product tab. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.